Copay Crypto Wallet Review, watch before using. Welcome to this Copay Crypto Wallet Review. Before we dive in, I want to mention that all relevant links to products are included in the description below, so be sure to check those out if you're interested. Now, let's get straight to the point. Copay is a multi-signature open-source crypto wallet created by BitPay, a leading Bitcoin payment service provider. It's designed with both individuals and businesses in mind, offering robust security features that cater to users who prioritize safety and flexibility in their crypto transactions. One of Copay's standout features is its multi-signature functionality, which allows multiple users to approve a transaction before it is executed. This is particularly useful for businesses or joint accounts where several parties need to agree on transactions, adding an extra layer of security. The wallet supports multiple cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Ethereum, making it a versatile option for users with diverse crypto portfolios. Copay also offers a high level of control over your private keys. Unlike some wallets that store your keys on a centralized server, Copay allows you to keep your keys on your device, which means you're in full control of your funds. The wallet also supports hierarchical deterministic (HD) address generation, which enhances privacy by creating a new address for each transaction. In terms of user experience, Copay has a clean, straightforward interface that's easy to navigate, even for beginners. It's available on multiple platforms, including iOS, Android, Windows, Linux, and macOS, which ensures you can access your wallet from almost any device. Additionally, Copay integrates seamlessly with BitPay's payment services, making it an excellent choice for users who want to use cryptocurrency for daily transactions. However, Copay isn't without its drawbacks. While it offers multi-signature and HD wallet features, it lacks some advanced features found in other wallets, like in-app trading or staking. Additionally, because it's an open-source wallet, updates and support can sometimes be slow, depending on the community's activity. So, who is Copay best suited for? If you're looking for a secure, user-friendly wallet with multi-signature support and full control over your private keys, Copay is an excellent choice. It's particularly well-suited for businesses, groups, or families who need a shared wallet with robust security features. However, if you're an advanced user looking for a wallet with more features, you might want to explore other options. That wraps up this review. Remember to check the description for links to Copay and related products. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto wallet reviews and insights.